Let's continue Hilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 32. The days of Aseres Yemei Teshuva, the 10 days from Rosh Hashanah to Yom Kippur, the Rambam teaches us in Perek Gimel Halacha Daled that because it's days that's so close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and it's days that we wake up with the voice of the shofar, we wake up from the sleeping that we was till today, Nohagu kol beis Yisrael leharbois betzedakah uvema'asim tovim. To make more tzedakah, to make more ma'asim tovim, ve'lasek b'mitzvahs more than the whole year. Mei Rosh Hashanah ve'ad Yom Kippurim yaser mikol Hashanah. That's what the Rambam brings down. And Shulchan Aruch it's also brought down to do more mitzvahs in these days. And Shulchan Aruch says something very interesting, that even someone that the whole year eats palter, bread that was baked by goyim, not going into the shilas and kashrus, if you're allowed it today or not, because things change, but even something that has no problem of kashrus, there was paspalter that basically it's better not to eat, okay, without going into halacha. And even someone the whole year eats paspalter, this time of Aseres Yemei Teshuva from Rosh Hashanah to Yom Kippur, you shouldn't eat paspalter. What's the inyan about it? To be a machmir and something that we know that I'm not there, I'm not in a darga in a degree of not eating paspalter the whole year, and the minute it will finish Yom Kippur, a day after Yud Aleph Tishrei, what's called Gotz Namen, this holy day after Yom Kippur, I'll go back to eat this paspalter. I'll again buy the bread by a guy. So what's I'm doing a show for this 10 days? What's the inyan in it? What? Maybe to try to understand it, I'll say something I heard from my father. He explained with the Gemara. The Gemara says that about the pasuk in Tehillim. The pasuk in Tehillim says, "Vayefatuhu befihem." Vayefatuhu befihem. They came and they tried to speak with HaKadosh Baruch Hu with the mouth. It means only befihem, only with the mouth, and it's not that the heart and the inner parts together with the words. It's only like dibble only with Vayfatuhu, saying nice words b'fiyem. Uveleshaynam with the tongue yechazvuloi. They lying to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. B'fiyem with the mouth, uveleshaynam with the tongue yechazvuloi. Brat velibam, but the heart loy nachaynimai. It's not straight with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Veloy ne'emnu b'vrisai. They not could be trusted in the bris that they are really connected to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And the pasuk is complaining on Klal Yisrael that they're coming to speak to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. They praying, they davening, they promising, they singing, but they don't mean it. The heart is not there. They not really from inside. You can't trust them. No emunah in them. They don't have really faith in the emunah and HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It's only nice words, saying with the mouth, singing nice songs. But velibam, the heart, it's not connected to HaKadosh Baruch Hu at all. But the Gemara says that the connection from this pasuk is the next pasuk. Ve'af al pichein, even that's the situation that they only saying words and they don't mean nothing, and the heart is not there. Ve'af al pichein. Next pasuk is Ve'hu rachum. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is merciful. Yechaper avoin. He will clean us up from all the averes. Ve'lo yashchis. And he's not going to punish us like we deserve. Ve'hirba lehashiv apoi. And he will more and more bring back his Kaas, his anger on us, and he's not going to wake up the chema, the kaas, the anger that we deserve upon to our maisim and our actions we did. Why? So the Gemara explains, because we came and we praising HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and we praying and we trying with nice words, befihem, beleshaynam, with the mouth and the tongue, with even it's without the heart, and it's loinem without trust. And the Gemara says, when is this happening? Because we know, the Gemara says, the way we're supposed to daven is Nisa Levavenu El Kapayim, our heart with our hands that's standing and praying, Kapayim, Nisa Kapayinu, supposed to be the same. The heart with the hands need to be the same. Not saying nice words and inside feeling something else. It needs to be the heart with the mouth at the same time. It shouldn't be echad bepeh, echad belev, one in the heart, one in the mouth, without no connection. The whole idea of tefillah is to say, so the Gemara says it's a stira. Even if we only saying with the mouth it's enough, and maybe you need to be from inside. The Gemara says that there was a difference tzibur and yachid. My father explains that the same thing is also like we see in Chazal a lot of times that the power of tefillah, Aseres Yemei Teshuva, is like a tefillah b'tzibur. And that's why when we come in this 10 days, the first day Rosh Hashanah, the second day Rosh Hashanah, Tzim Gedalia, Shabbos Teshuvah, till Yom Kippur, all the 10 days of Aseres Yemei Teshuva, and even we not there, and we don't believe in it, and our heart is someplace else, and you can't trust Him. But if we say the words, ויפתו בפיהם ובלשונם יחזבו לוי, אז והוא רחום יכפר עוון, ולא ישחיס והרבה לו אושיב אפוי ולא ירק על חמוסוי. Kadosh Baruch Hu gives us and hugs us and accepts even the words that we don't mean it. That's why comes this 10 days. Even you're not there, even you know a day after Yom Kippur you will go back. This 10 days don't eat palter. This 10 days, come to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, do a show, but it's so nice, that show. What are you showing? What are you acting? What are you trying to do? Faces like you, I'm not really there, but I'm trying. It's a show, but it's a very nice show. You're showing yourself as a tzaddik. You're showing yourself like it's and this 10 days, HaKadosh Baruch Hu accepts, and vehu rachum yechaper avoin velo yashchis vehir balo ashiv apei velo yachol chamosoi, and we will all have be'ezer Hashem a shana tova u'mesukah.